Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's English language class, and our topic of the day is negative sentences, and this happens to be your fourth lesson in English grammar. Children, to start with, I would like to quote the definition of negative sentences. A sentence having not or no in it is called a negative sentence, which means that a negative sentence is a sentence that states something is false, something is not true. So children, in English we create negative sentences by adding the word not after the auxiliary verb or helping verb. Now children, before I explain you this along with the sentences, I would like to tell you one thing. If you look at this page, you can see I have made a structure chart. Helping verbs have three parts. It has be form, have form and do form. Children, in be form, you are going to put not after is, am, are and was and were. Is, am, are is present, was, were are past. So you are going to put after these five words, you are going to use not. In have form, in present tense you have has, have. In past tense you have had. So you are going to put either no or not depending upon the sentence. You are going to put no and not after has, have and had. Do. Children, do is a command. Command is an order basically. So either you are going to use do not or don't, and this will be used in the beginning of a sentence. Alright children, now I'll explain you along with your book. Now children, in the B part, if you see, compare the following sentence. I am sad. I told you that is, am, are, was, were. After all these, you are going to use not. I am sad. I am not sad. We are tired. We are not tired. He is a liar. He is not a liar. And so on. So children, when the verb is some form of be, is, am, are, was, were, we put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. Clear? Now next part is, now compare the sentences. He has some money. Now this is have form. It has, have and had. He has some money. He has no money. I told you in have form you are going to put no. So she had a beautiful dress. She had no beautiful dress. We have a holiday today. We have no holiday today. When the verb is have, has, had, we use no to make the sentence negative. Clear? Next, compare the following sentences. Now children, in this part you will have a helping verb and the main verb in the statement, in the question itself, and you are going to place not after the first word to make the sentence negative. She is skipping. So is helping verb and skipping is the main word. So you are going to, how are you going to write it? She is not skipping. They have arrived. Helping verb, main verb. They have not arrived. That means you are going to insert not here in between two words. He has got an umbrella. He has not got an umbrella. Clear children? When the verb is made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. Next, compare these sentences now. Close the windows. This is a command. The last one which I have told you, do form. Command is an order basically, I told you. leave the room, sit down. So these are all command sentences. So you are going to either use do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Close the window, do not close the window. And don't is the contraction, the short form of do not. You use it in English language. Leave the room, do not leave the room or don't leave the room. Sit down, do not sit down or don't sit down. To make a command sentence negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. So children, the thing which I explained to you earlier with the structure chart is given here. Similar way. Then you are required to do the F part yourself in the book itself. Do not do it in the fair copy. So children, that's all for today. Revise it and do it. Bye.